Welcome to this episode on 137. Today we embark on an exploration of one of the most enigmatic creatures on our planet, the whale. These majestic beings glide through the oceans, their presence a testament to the mysteries of the deep. For centuries they have captured our imagination. Not only because of their sheer size and power, but also because of the way they communicate, using a sophisticated system we call sonar or echolocation. It's a complex and beautiful method that allows them to see their surroundings through sound. But as we delve deeper, we find ourselves on the edge of a vast ocean of questions that stretch beyond the boundaries of science and into the realm of the unknown. Imagine for a moment being in the vast, dark ocean where visibility is often limited. For us humans, it's a daunting thought, but for whales, it's their world. They send out a series of clicks, and as these sound waves bounce off objects and return to them, they form a mental image of their surroundings. It's as if they have a sixth sense, a way of perceiving their environment that is so alien to us, yet so vital to their existence. It's worth noting that the precision of this echolocation is astonishing. They can detect objects as small as a golf ball from several meters away and identify the unique signatures of different species of fish. But what's truly fascinating is that whales don't just use echolocation to navigate and hunt, they use it to communicate. Some species, like the sperm whale, can produce clicks so powerful they can be heard over vast distances. These clicks aren't random. They follow complex patterns and rhythms, almost like a form of music. In fact, scientists believe that some of these patterns could be unique to individual whales, much like a personal signature. It raises the question, are these clicks carrying more than just navigational information? Are they sharing memories, emotions, or even knowledge that we can't yet comprehend? We've been studying whale communication for decades, trying to decipher the language of these ocean giants. What do their songs and clicks mean? Are they merely for navigation? Or is there a deeper, more complex dialogue happening beneath the waves? Scientists have made some headway identifying different types of calls and understanding their purposes to some extent. Humpback whales, for example, are known for their long, complex songs that change from year to year. These songs can last for hours and are shared across entire populations, suggesting a level of cultural transmission. Yet much of it remains a mystery. It's as if we're listening to an ancient language, rich with meaning, but without the Rosetta Stone to decode it. There's a certain humbling realization when we consider how little we actually know. We often view ourselves as the most intelligent beings on this planet, masters of technology and language. Yet, here are these creatures who have existed for millions of years, communicating in a way that we still can't fully comprehend. It makes one wonder, doesn't it? What else are we missing? What other secrets are hidden in the depths of the ocean just beyond our understanding? Could it be that the whales, with their ancient songs, hold a deeper connection to the earth, a knowledge passed down through the eons, encoded in their very being? And this brings us to a rather intriguing question. What if we could unlock the full potential of our own brains? You see, it's a popular notion, though largely a myth, that humans only use a small fraction of their brain capacity. The idea that we might access more of it, and in doing so, unlock abilities we can only dream of, is a tantalizing thought. Could we, like the whales, develop new ways of perceiving the world around us? Could we communicate in ways that transcend the limitations of spoken language? And if we could, what would that mean for our understanding of the universe and of ourselves? Throughout history, there have been legends and stories of individuals and civilizations possessing extraordinary abilities, perhaps even tapping into a deeper knowledge of the mind and the universe. The ancient Egyptians, for example, are often credited with having a profound understanding of mathematics, astronomy, and even metaphysics. How did they construct such marvels as the pyramids with such precision? Was it sheer human ingenuity, or did they possess knowledge that has since been lost to time? Some suggest that they understood and harnessed natural energies or perhaps frequencies that allowed them to manipulate massive stones with ease. It's a captivating idea, isn't it? That perhaps the secrets to these ancient marvels are not just in the stones themselves, but in the minds of those who built them. There are some who speculate that these ancient civilizations may have had access to a deeper understanding of the human mind, or perhaps even to energies or frequencies that we are not yet aware of. Could it be that the knowledge of the ancients was more aligned with nature, more in tune with the very fabric of reality? It's a thought that leads us down a path filled with wonder and curiosity. And what if, just for a moment, we entertain the thought that this knowledge, this understanding of the universe, is not entirely lost? What if it has been preserved in some form, in the consciousness of other beings like whales? After all, they have been around for millions of years, long before humanity took its first steps. They have seen the Earth change in ways we can barely imagine. Could it be that they hold within their songs and clicks a record of the planet's past, a story that we have yet to decipher? It's a fascinating, almost whimsical thought that these creatures might be the keepers of some ancient wisdom. Perhaps their songs are more than just communication between members of a pod. Maybe, just maybe, they are sharing memories, passing down knowledge through generations. Imagine if we could somehow tap into that, if we could understand not just the mechanics of their communication, but the content, the stories they tell. What if the key to understanding the mysteries of our own existence lies not in the stars above, but in the depths of the ocean, in the songs of the whales? But we are only beginning to scratch the surface of these mysteries. Despite all our technological advances, the ocean remains one of the least explored frontiers on our planet. And the lives of whales, their social structures, their migrations, and most of all, their communication, offer just a glimpse into the unknown. It's like peering through a keyhole at a grand, sprawling universe, with so much more hidden from view. Think about it. We have mapped more of the surface of Mars than we have of our own ocean floors. What else might be down there, waiting to be discovered? Perhaps even more astonishing creatures or ancient ruins swallowed by the sea, remnants of civilizations long forgotten. As we ponder these mysteries, it's worth reflecting on our own limitations. Our quest to understand the world around us is often constrained by our own senses, our own perceptions. We rely so heavily on what we can see, touch, and hear. But the universe, and indeed life on Earth, operates on so many more levels. The whales with their sonar are just one example of how life has evolved in ways that are almost beyond our comprehension. Their ability to navigate and communicate in the vast, dark ocean using sound as their guide is something we are only beginning to understand. And yet it feels as if there is so much more to uncover, so many more layers to peel back. And so we continue to search, to listen, to learn. Who knows what we might discover in the future? Perhaps one day we will find a way to truly understand the songs of the whales, to decipher their messages, and in doing so unlock a new chapter in the story of life on Earth. Or perhaps the answer lies not in looking outward, but in looking inward, in unlocking the potential of our own minds. What if the next great leap in human evolution is not technological, but cognitive? What if, by understanding ourselves better, we can understand the world around us more profoundly? It's a tantalizing possibility, one that beckons us to keep exploring, to keep questioning. We often talk about exploring the outer reaches of space, but there is still so much to discover right here within ourselves and within the depths of the ocean. It's a reminder that while technology and science are powerful tools, There are still realms of knowledge that elude us, that require a different kind of exploration, a journey of the mind and the spirit as much as of the body. As we push the boundaries of what we know, let us not forget the mysteries that still lie beneath the surface, waiting for those brave enough to seek them out. So, as we leave the world of whales and their mysterious songs, let's keep our minds open to the possibilities. There is so much more to learn, so many more questions to ask, and perhaps in time we will find that the answers were there all along, hidden in the depths of our oceans and within the untapped potential of our own minds. Perhaps the whales, with their ancient songs, are inviting us to listen, to learn, to remember. Perhaps they're waiting for us to catch up, to understand, to join them in the symphony of life. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the mysteries of the whales and the unexplained wonders of the world. Please like and subscribe. And until next time, keep wondering.